Alright, so now we have found a viewpoint over here. Let's check it out. Okay. Here's our viewpoint. Ito. Okay, zoom. Zoom, zoom. Ito yung modern city ng Tallinn, Estonia. Yung tinatayuan ko ngayon is the old city, the old town. Ito naman yung modern city niya. Siyempre, modern yung mga buildings. Like this one. And that one. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, nandun na yung sea. Sea ba yan? I'm not sure. Pero, what I'm thinking is, the other side of it is already Finland. Ayan. On July 4, Saturday pa yun, guys. I will be in Helsinki. I will be going on a day trip to Helsinki. Ayan. Spoiler ha. Watch out for the vlog for Helsinki. Ayan. Ganda. Kahit maaraw siya guys, medyo malamig-lamig yung panahon. Between 20 to 25 degrees. Ayan. Okay. Okay, budget travel tip guys. Tallinn, Estonia. If you stay in the old town, it's only walkable. You don't need to spend so much for transportation. Actually, wala. Kasi you just walk around the whole day and check out the beautiful architecture and charming streets of Tallinn. Ayan po. This is not on my list, pero ito, na-discover ko lang siya by walking around. Just random, guys. You don't need to spend on entry tickets. You just walk around. You just have to bring your water bottle. Dahil ang weather dito unpredictable, you just have to check the weather every day. Kasi minsan rainy siya. So I have my umbrella with me. Ano pa? Of course, my jacket kasi malamig yung hangin. Although it's 20-25 degrees Celsius maybe. Kaya always bring your jacket kahit summertime siya. Today is July 2. Okay? Summer siya pero look, it's cloudy. This morning there were some drizzles. Pero I'm lucky na nag-clear up na siya. Okay. So, let's move on. Okay, toilet vlog guys. Okay, this is a public toilet but you have to pay a few euros. So, get ready with that. Seldom na free ang toilet guys. So, travel tip is, if nag-restaurant ka, make sure na mag-toilet ka na. Kasi karamihan ng mga toilet dito may bayad. Kagaya nito. Ayan, meron siyang machine doon. Kailangan mo magbayad. And I don't know how much. Okay, so pila tayo guys, okay? Because it's really hard to find a toilet here. Okay. Ito magandang toilet siya guys. Kasi meron siyang cleaning cycle, washing cycle right after ng isang papasok na tao. Ang bayad lang 50 cents. So may indicator siya dito. Ayan, it means occupied wash cycle. So pag emergency guys, this is not good. Okay? Pero the advantage is yung malinis siya. There's a sanitation cycle. Okay? High tech. Ayan, lumabas na yung isang nag-occupy pero magwa-wash pa siya. Ito yung indicator. Magwa-wash pa siya. Can you hear? Can you hear? Ayan, nagsasanitize siya. sabi niya, it will dry automatically. Ayun. So, still washing. Aba. Come on. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're in a hurry. All right. We're in. Ayan. So, sa dami ng naikot ko kahapon, hindi ko na matandaan kung napuntahan ko dito. Ayan, daming polis na nagpapatrol. So, it's safe in here. Ayan, yung mga ano ko. Traffic. My tour group. Okay, so as you can see guys, dalawa ang flag dito. Ayan, this is Stanlock House. Yung nasa left, yan yung flag ng Estonia. Yung isa naman yung Schengen area. Schengen countries. So pagpunta mo dito sa Estonia, you just have to apply for a Schengen visa. So ang entry ko was Spain. And then I was able to fly to the Baltic region using my Schengen visa. Actually ngayon, may entry-exit system na sila. Wala na siyang stamp sa passport. You just have to register your information in the airport of your entry. Like, I entered via Madrid. Wala nang stamp guys. Ayan. Okay. I'm wondering kung anong meron dito. Another view point, I think. Tapos yan, may souvenir shop. Tadan. At yung nakaka-amaze dito guys, yung mga restaurant, yung mga pa-flowers silang ganito. Oh, ang ganda. At saka minsan iba-ibang kulay sila. Ayan. Sunod tayo sa mga tips. Kasi makikita mo yung Baltic Sea. Sa kabilang yan is Finland.
You can try almonds.
Almonds.
Almonds, different flavor. This is
Yeah.
a traditional
Traditional.
Estonian. Original Estonian. Mixed flavor. Caramel, cinnamon, black pepper, ginger. Very popular Estonian flavor. Estonian local snack. This is old Tallinn licorice. Vana Tallinn, Estonian language. Estonian local drinks with alcohol. Vana, this is old. Old Tallinn name, old Tallinn licorice. Yeah, Estonian present, Estonian gift, very nice. This is Vana Tallinn.
Okay.
Lemon, cherry, coffee flavor. Taste free.
Yes, thank you. But
Yeah,
Impulse
this
will come out with nuts.
Estonian present, very nice. Estonian gift. Gift box, very nice. One package, free package. €7 discount.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Free days. Pero hindi ako makakain ng maraming nuts kasi malabas yung pimples ko. Dito tayo, sisingit tayo dyan. Sisingit tayo, sisingit. Tadan, 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 tadan. Ganda. And the other side is probably Finland. I think that's Helsinki on the other side. Ayan. Meron ako nakikita doon na ship. Banda doon. Yan yung mga cruise ship papunta sa Helsinki. Okay. So, ayan yung mga roof ng Old Town, guys. Nakita na natin kanina yung, or kahapon, I think, yung malaking yung church na yun. Tapos yung mga orange na tower, yan yung mga watchtower ng walls ng Old Town. Ganda, no? Okay. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom in. Makita nyo yung ganda ng mga roof. Ayan. Tapos, ito ganda. Pataasan ng tower, guys. Church din yun siya. Yung green tower na yun.
Building, look at the cranes.
Yeah. Ang kasama ko. Pero yan yung modern side of Tallinn. Tapos yun yung bulbs.
String bag is really hard.
Okay. Picture time. Picture time na. Keep walking. Estonian Academy of Sciences. Sabi nito. Hanggang dito lang tayo, guys. Kasi bawal pumasok. Buti pa ito, may markang ano, English. Yung iba kasi hindi siya English kaya hindi ko na alam. Yan na naman yung church na isa. Ganda ng likod niya. Oh, harap. At ganda.
Devam edelim.
Bumalik na ako dito. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, tapos na ako sa areang ito. Quirico Flats. Pag sinabing flats, parang square. Sa Espanyol naman, plaza. Sa Italy naman, piazza. Here they call it flats. Now we're learning. Okay. We are learning. Ayan. Ayan. Mabato ang kanilang daanan kaya minsan natitisod tapos hindi siya pantay. Para siyang maalon. Kaya dahan-dahan sa lakad. Okay. So I have one goal for today. Meron talaga akong nakita na dome kahapon na may gold siya. Yun ang hahanapin ko ngayon. Golden dome. Hindi ko alam kung ito yun or iba eh. Really. Na-curious talaga ako kahapon. Hindi ko na siya mapuntahan kasi pagod na ako. Nakita ko lang siya from a distance which is on this side. Hindi ko ma-sure kung nasaan yun. Kaya yun ang goal ko for today. Wait lang. Iwasan natin yung mga group kasi nakaka-traffic sila ng paglalakad. Traffic. Ayan. See. Lobat na siya. Okay, so we're done here. We're going to a park now. Tingnan natin sa taas. I don't know what building is that, but it looks interesting. Yeah. I don't know. May court doon. Cute.
Very good to camera.
Yes. Thank you. Mahinga yung tubig ko. Umaalog. Okay. So this is one of the entrance. The other one was the stairs. This one is a bit easier. Yeah. So you choose this one, guys. Kasi yung stairs, it's not good for the knees. This one is way better. There you go. Ayan. Yay! Okay, so we're out here. We're going to the bus station or bus stop. Bus stop tayo. I wonder, dito ba? Ah, wait, nag-iisip ako kung nasaan yung bus stop. This way or that way? Ay, okay, let's go this way. Ayan, so as you can see, it's cloudy, it rains. But you know, if you're ready for travel, yan, you have to have a compact umbrella with you for sunny and rainy season like this. Okay, sorry, the phone is not stable because I'm going downhill. Ay, ayan na naman yung ulan. Wait lang, open ko lang. Bye. Alright, we got our umbrella in. Adan, bawal magkasakit. Tapos malamig ngayon. It's cold, it's about 16 to 18 degrees here in the north. Because if you will check the map and you see Schengen area, Estonia is actually on the north, way up north. Okay, and now after the pancake, after the food, I'm going to check out some souvenir. I did not buy any souvenir yet in Tallinn. Saan kaya? Ganap lang tayo ng mura, guys. It doesn't have to be very expensive. Just a fridge magnet or maybe some keychains. Yun lang naman yung collection ko, yung katuwaan ko. It's either a keychain or a fridge magnet. Ayan. Ganda ng view, ano? Grabe. Gilid tayo kasi dumadaan din ng mga sasakyan. OMG, lumalalakas na naman ang ulan. Kailangan ko rin bumalik agad sa hotel kasi nagsalang ako ng Labaakid. I've been here for ilang araw na ba ako dito? Bumalik ako ng 25 sa Madrid. Now it's July 3. 8 days na ba yun, guys? 8 or 9 days na ba? Ah! Ulan na naman! Meron ba silang wala shoes? Doon sa baba dito. Marami akong nakitang souvenir shop dito. Pag maulan, pagi yung glasses ko, kailangan kong tanggalin. Hindi ko makita yung daanan. Naku, ang mga ibang tao wala silang payong. Mahirap magkasakit. Wala silang payong. Bababa na naman siya. So medyo hilly siya. Mamaya dito siguro mag-dinner. Kaso pagkakita ko pa lang ng presyo, mahal siya. When I say mahal, okay, mahal is 15 euros up. Mahal siya. Kasi I'm referring to Kuwait dinar. So one dinar is equals to 1 dinar, ano ba? 2.8 euros. Yan. So, pag 15 euros, let's say we round it up to 3. Ano siya? Wait lang. Nahanap ko kung saan makabili ng murang souvenir. May souvenir pa sila. Ito yung tinatingnan ko. Meron ba silang souvenir dito? Parang, no, not really. Ano naman guys, sumuulan. Dito. May souvenir sila dito. Tayo. Tayo. There you go. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so now here we are. Ang daming pagpipilian. Ayan, tig 1 euro lang siya. May 50 euros pang ano pa, postcard. Sige, mamili tayo. Wait lang, napipilian ako ba? Tallinn. We are in Tallinn, so we'll take Tallinn. One. Nahulog, sorry. Sana hindi nila kunin yung payong ko doon. So, 1, 2. Ito si yung magandang square. 1, 2, 3. Kuha din tayo ng postcard. Gusto ko yung postcard. Oh. Wait lang. Eh, medyo masikip yung pwesto. Ito, maganda. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, one more. Sorry. Pero napili ko, one more. This one maybe. Oh, medyo lang. So, ayan, nakapila na tayo. Okay, this one is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, ito yung pitaka ko, guys. Ayan, nakabili na ako ng murang fridge magnet. Yun ang pinuntahan ko dito eh. Makakuha lang ng magnet, masaya na ako. Yung mura lang. Hindi naman kailangang mahal. Remembrance lang naman eh. What is important was the experience. Ganon. Ngayon, parang naalala ko merong isang kanto dito papunta sa hotel. Mamaya na ulit lalabas pagkakain ng dinner. Saan na ba yung kanto na yun? Dito, nandito na. Maganda talaga ng mga flowers kasi. Diba? Oh. Konti ang customers ngayon kasi maulan. Yung iba walang tayong. Yan, dito yung kanto na dinaanan ko last time. Ikot-ikot lang naman siya eh. Tandaan mo lang yung kantong pinasukan mo. Ang ganda no, tignan mo naman sa camera. Oh. Kasi iba-ibang kulay. Tapos yung daanan, cobblestone. Hindi siya pantay guys. Minsan nakakainis maglakad kasi patisod ka. Tapos yung sole ng foot mo masakit kasi hindi siya pantay. Nagreklamo pang auntie nyo. But anyway, maganda ang old towns dito sa Europe. Kasi yung designs ng mga bahay, kakaiba, ibang kulay, ibang designs. Oh. Bakit naman siya guys? Kaya kung marinig nyo na nahihingal ako kasi madali akong hingalin kasi asthmatic ako. Pero maganda daw sa paglalakad yung may asthma para ma-exercise din yung lungs tsaka yung heart. Whew. Whew. Ayan, maulan at malamig. Nuts shot bar. Pero mas gusto ko yung kinainan kong kahapon, yung may cookie, malaking cookies. Sarap yun. Whew. Daming bar. Oops. Anong oras na pala? Parang around 4 or 5 p.m. na siguro. At dito naman, ang sunset, sabi ko last time, between 9 to 10, pero kahapon, 10:30 ang sunset. So, ang haba ng time na nasa labas. Yun lang ang kahirapan guys, pag mabigat ang maleta. Yung daan ba? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to enter the hostel vicinity. Ganyan siya, may code. Ano na ba yung code? Okay, wait lang, i-check ko sa phone. So, ganito siya, mag-punch in ka ng code. Okay. Yan. Tapos, tulak mo na yung pinto. Okay, wait, ay ang tanong. Right. Oops! Sorry. Malakas ang pinto. So, dahil nasa Old Town tayo, syempre, old ang building. Ayan. Nasa first floor ang hostel guys. Okay. Meron din silang private rooms if you have the budget. Ewan ko kung bukas to. Let's check it out. Minsan bukas, minsan. Okay, it's open. Hello. Ayan. So, doon lang room natin. Oh, ano lang nakalimutan ko? Tubig. Pero may tubig pa naman ako. Konti na lang. Tsaka may natira akong iced tea. Ayan, mga banyo guys. Shower. Mga shower yan. So, ang room ko sa taas pa. Sa baba doon may kitchen. Let's check it out. I will show you the kitchen. Oh, looks like if it's okay. Yep, that's the kitchen. Hello. So, this is a shared kitchen. Ayan, they got microwave toaster. Ayan, blender. Anything you need, you can cook. If you want to, if you stay too long. Ayan. Ganun guys, ang hostel. Oh yeah. Okay, and there's my room. Ito. Ayan, additional showers. Oh, sorry, I'm going the wrong way. I'm busy. Upper floor pa pala ako. So, second floor na to. Second floor. Ay, ay, ay. Ayan guys. Those are heaters for winter. Dami kong exercise dito. Tingnan nyo pagbalik ko, payat na ako. Here we go. So there's my room. But wait, let me show you the showers and the toilet. Matapos na ngayon laundry ko eh. Ito. Ayan ang showers guys. Ayan. Actually sa akin yung nakasabit na red blouse. Kasi the color is coming off. Ito yung laundry area. Yay! Tapos na siya. Okay, I have to try it. So, here's another square. It says Raycoja Platz. So, ito rin yung isang famous square na napuntahan ko kahapon. Very famous siya. And ang ganda. Dahan-dahan. Kasi yung daan hindi pantay. Baku-baku. Ganda, no? Oh, may sitting area sila. Garden. Plus sitting area to relax pag napagod. So, you can chill here as much as you want. Okay. Ito yung building na curious ako kahapon. What is this? Ayan, taas. Tadan. Maghanap tayo ng signage kung anong klaseng building siya. Now I found it. Ayan, ayan. This is there you go. Tallinn Town Hall. Sa hindi pala siya church. Sa Town Hall. Ngayon, entrada is ayan. 7 euros. Okay, so usually yung 7 euros is for general admission and then 5 euros for kids and then 15 euros yung kasama yung tower. Okay. Nagtitipid ako guys. Hindi ako papasok. Although maganda sa loob. I know. Pero it's not on my budget. I'm just enjoying outdoors right now. Look at the architecture. Diba? Dito tayo dadaan para interesting. Napaka-interesting ito. Isang door. Look at the post. Yung poste guys. Oh. Tapos, meron din siyang restaurant. Okay. Picture muna. Ayan. Ayan. Wait lang ha. So, picture natin ang walls niya. There you go. Galing, no? Ito. Asan ang English? Saan? Asan English? Ang nakikita ko lang dito is ayan, 1248 tapos hanggang 1970. Anyway, I will put some captions below. Captions below. Check the caption below. Okay, later tonight sa dinner, uh, try ulit tayo ng ibang traditional food ng Estonia. Okay. So, ano na nang sabi ng location ko? Oops, nawala. Dali guys. Ayokong mawala. Punta tayo sa may bus station. Sabi niya 6 minutes. Asan na ako? Okay. Keep walking. Okay, may nagpipicture na family. Naman naka-costume pa siya, oh. Ano siyang binibenta? Hindi ko alam kung ano. Dito ba? Ano yung bus? Doon daw. Sundan natin yung ating lunok-noko siya. Tingnan mo tong si Snatcher, oh. Kain siyang plastic. Yan. Notorious talaga yung mga seagull na yan. They will snatch your food. If you're eating and walking, i-snatch niya talaga yung food mo. Ano naman to? Museum of Torture. Oh my God. Ayoko niyan. Hindi ako papasok dyan. Ito na naman tayo sa may papuntang main gate. Although marami siyang gate. But the most famous one with the 2 towers, ito yon. Ang mga pips dito mahilig silang uminom ng beer. Inom sana ako eh, kaso ako lang mag-isa. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin kung malasing ako ba. Oh, another talented kiddo. Ayan, kung may barya ka, pwede mong bigyan ng barya. Para naman ma-motivate siya na mag-play pa ng kanyang violin. Ano naman to? Oh, ganito yung mga touristic areas. Isa may sumasayaw, nag-play ng kahit anong instrument. Gaya nito, footballer siguro to, mga kabayan. Ito, footballer siya. So cool. Diba? Ito na naman si Rabbit Hole. Sorry. Kasi may naka-hijab. Huwag nating i-focus ang mga naka-hijab. Ayan. As you notice, meron silang kumot. When it's chilly, you can just use the kumot or the blankets. Same here. They have blankets. Kasi right now it's, let's check the weather. It's 21. It's 21 degrees but feels like 18. Okay, 18 degrees. Celsius yan, Celsius. Okay. Ngayon, ito ang bubuhay sa'yo. Kung ayaw mong mag-try ng kakaiba. If you are not a risk taker to try a new dish, okay, you got McDonald's right there. Okay. Oh, nice job. Okay, so we're out of the main gate, the Viru gate, as they call it. Punta tayo sa bus stop. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Oh, daming nagbenta ng flowers. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers nila dito, guys. They're so colorful and unique. Like, wow, look. Kaso wala namang magbibigay. Emote lang ang auntie niya. They're so nice guys. Ayan oh. My gosh. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Ayan oh. OMG. 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 They're so I love the blue. Oh. Ayan. And the yellow. And the pink. And another pink. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Ayan. And of course, local products. Ayan for winter. And here you can get coin, I think, if you want the souvenir. Yep. Okay. So, nasya na si bus stop. Bus stop, bus stop. Ayun, makikita ko na ang bus stop. Fountain everywhere. Yan. Yan. Yung mga nakabike na yon, mga delivery guys. Hindi uso dito ang motor. Ayan. Ayan. Sa tram na tayo. Baba tayo after 4 stops. Kita yung ano. Kung saan siya mag-stop ba? Oh, it's a Methodist church. Okay guys, so I have arrived at the York Park. Okay, hanapin natin yung magandang museum. We'll check it out kung free siya. Although, di ako maasa na free siya. Kasi dito lahat may bayad. Look at that! Diba? Ang sarap naman ng maglakad dito. Wow, wow, wow. Yep, ang ganda dito. Ayan, the walkway is full of lime trees. And there's also a gazebo in the middle. But you can go there on the other side. Diba? Oh, nice. Okay. Let's go straight. We'll check the museum. Mhm. Of course, we have a flower garden. Mamaya na yan. Yung flower garden. Check muna natin yung museum. Tadan, 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 tadan. Ito na naman, sana all. Sana all, may ka-holding hands. Ay, ang cute, oh. They're enjoying the nice weather. And of course, the greenery. I-wide natin para makita nyo yung angle. Oops. Ayan. If you notice, meron silang mower. Ayun, no? Ito siya sang nagka-cut. Kusa siyang nagtitrim ng grass para same sizes yung grass nila. Diba? Pantay-pantay. Kasi yung malapit na tayo. So may playground doon for kids. Hatching ako eh. Kasi yung pollen. Ito, kung ayaw mo mawala. Basahin mo yun. Ayan na. Nakikita ko na. Ang ganda nito. Oh. Diba? So, Cadrior Park. This is an information center. Ayan siya. Ang ganda, guys. Okay. Then, we have another one on that side. Zoom na lang natin. Para hindi na tayo maglakad. Ayan. And then, there you go. Nandun ang museum. Pero, kailangan kong kumuha ng pictures. So, standby lang. Wait lang. Enjoy the view. Tadan. And, nandun yung couple. Wait lang. Pag naka-steady ako, guys, meaning nagkukuha ako ng picture. Ganon. Ganda ng lime trees, diba? Oh. Pero wag tayong magtagal dyan kasi ay, sasakyan. Ayun, ayun ang museum. Cadrior Museum. Oh. Tapos may vintage car pa dito, oh. Para ang ganda. MB siya, Mercedes. So, ito na. Ito na. Ayan siya, guys. Alright. At syempre, may pa-flower ang kanilang entrance. Tadan, tadan. Ngayon, kung nag-bike ka, yan, dyan mo itali yung bike mo. Okay. Ganda ng kulay. Makulay ang buhay. So, alam nyo na guys, I'm not gonna enter. Kasi for sure may bayad. At hindi carry ng budget ko. Ayan. Ganda oh. Napakakulay. Wait lang kasi may nagpipicture doon sa banda doon. Hindi naman nating sirahin yung kanilang picture moment. Which they want some good memories too. You know what? We can sit here. Ayan. Para ma-enjoy ang makulay na view. Diba? So now, tingnan natin yung courtyard niya. Ayan. Get din tayo doon. Ayan. Likot yung left hand ko. Mas steady yung right hand. Walk, walk, walk. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Purple. Purple flowers. Napaka-purple. Look at that. Diba? Wow. So, nandun yung museum. Okay. So, it's time to take a photo. Ayan siya guys. Look yung purple oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. OMG. Wait lang. Let's keep walking, exploring this park. It's 5:40 p.m. Cloudy kasi siya. Tapos maraming puno. Malamig ang panahon. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something guys. I told you a while ago that I'm gonna look for the one with a golden dome. Pero yung dome pala na yun is, yun na yung dome ng Alexander. Ngayon, I'm looking for a toilet. Yung nakita ko na isa, it's not working. So, baka meron dito sa children's playground. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Yan, may children's playground dito. Ganda ng roses nila. Yeah, different colors of roses. Doon nga, oh, puro yellow. Yellow. Ano yung pinaka-zoom niya? Ito na siya red. Oh gosh. Feels like heaven. Ito naman si pink. Pink. Diba? And then, here, ayan may yellow. Ganda. May purple din. Wow. Ayan. Yellow roses. Oh, kumpol eh. Ah. Oh my god. So pretty. And white. Light pink. And over there is purple. Hindi ko na ma-zoom. Okay. That's it. Pansit. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Doon. Pink. Oh, pink. And here is white. And there's the purple. Grabe, napaka-dense ng tree na to. Talagang silong na silong. Uy, roses, roses, roses. Diba? Ang gara. There's a doggy. Walking for more. I wanna lay you down in the roses. Naririnig akong party doon. Party, party. Something's going on there. Ito na naman. Ito na naman. Maganda talaga ng mga flowers na dito. Kakaikot. Ito, hindi pa siya nag-bloom. Ayun, may it's a busy day. Okay. This is why Gino. Ganda talaga guys. Flowers din yan. Ano kaya yan? Oh, flower din yan. Kala mo? Wow, wow, wow. Ito. I'm not so sure guys, but this one looks like the lavender. Is it? Tell me in the comments below kung yan yung lavender guys. Kaya kanina pa ako ng hatching. Wow, ng mga pola ng mga ito. Nakasma ako. But I can't stop admiring them sa malapitan. Diba? Diba? Okay, ako nga. Flowers yan ito. Flowers yan. Okay. So, ayan. Patapos na yung pag-ikot ko ng park. Punta na tayo sa seaside. Tignan natin kung maganda ang view doon. Seaside, seaside tayo. Baltic Sea. Grabe dito. Oh. Ang park nila. Siya na all. May ilaw, may upuan. May CR kanina. May playground, may museum. Watch this, Philippines. Matuto ka, Pilipinas. Hashtag sana all. Although maraming puno sa Pilipinas, but make it organized as this one. Diba? Ayan na. Okay, so this is the end of the park. Ayan. Doon. Tatawid tayo doon. So I'm gonna turn this off kasi tatawid ako. Okay. The timer is somehow quick. So we have to cross as fast as we can. Dan-tadan, tadan-tadan. Oopsie! Nag-alarm siya! Look at that! We made it. Ganun guys. Kailangan maging focus ka dito. Focus, focus! Nakita ko nag-smile yung mama doon sa na nagmamaneho. Sabi niya, to, nawawalang vlogger from the Philippines. Diba? Saya. Eto na tayo. Naamoy ko na yung Finland. Ayan siya guys, ayan siya. Yan, dyan. Anyway. Okay, so this is it. This is the promenade. Ay wow, may pa-carpet pa siyang nalalaman, oh. Ayan. So, eto guys, mag-ingat ka dito sa way na to. Bike lane yan, car lane. So, mag-ingat. Ayan. Let's check this out first. Let's check it out. What's in here? What's this studio over here? So, oh, hindi ko mabasa? Okay, ikutan natin kasi baka may English dito. Or ilabas ko yung translator. Translator naman eh. Okay. Mukha siyang angel. It's like an angel. Tingnan natin kung anong pangalan niya. Use my other phone. Kasi naka-charge yung isa. Madilim siya guys kasi against the light. 1 minute, tigil ka. Oh, and my internet is off. Ayan. Picturean ko muna siya para malaman natin kung anong landmark ito. Okay, let's ask Google. Ganun lang. So, yan. Oh my God. Ang daming pollen. Kaya ako inaasma. Maraming pollen. Yung white na ng flowers. Oh crap. Sorry. Nasaan na yun? Ito. So it says, the monument is the Rusalka Memorial in Tallinn, Estonia. Designed by sculptor Amandus Adamson, inaugurated in 1902. Mas matanda pa sa akin to ah. It commemorates the 177 sailors who lost their lives when the Russian warship Rusalka sank in the Gulf of Finland in 1893. Wow. So matagal na. Okay. So of course, it's located in Kadriorg Park along the promenade. It was the first monument in Estonia created by an Estonian sculptor. All right. So that's about it. Now let me take a picture. So, eto na guys. So this is a promenade here in Tallinn. Wow. And the port of Tallinn, ayan. Diyan siguro ako sasakay papuntang Helsinki. Yan. Paalis na yung isa, oh. Bye-bye. Punta siyang Finland. Marami din doon. So, may Silja Line, may Viking. Yung sa akin Viking, ano siya? Viking. Sasakyan. Mura kasi siya. It's 2.5 hours lang from here. So, you can do a day trip. Ayan. Diba? No swimming. Bawal. Sabi bawal ang dog pero may dog doon. Anyway. Ano siya? Parang soft. Very soft ang sand niya guys. Ano ang haba ng promenade hanggang doon. Ayun. Malayo yan guys. Naka-zoom na to. Ayan. Tignan mo naman ang layo nito sa atin. There you go. Ayan. So lakarin natin hanggang doon sa port para malaman ko yung sasakyan ko pagpunta ko ng Helsinki. Ayan. So, syempre, chill-chill ang mga tao dito. Ayan, maraming maupuan. Ayan, ang kabayan ito. Parang hindi. Ayan. Ayan. Kaya ako nahahatching kasi lumilipad yung mga pollen parts of the flower and ang daming crows. Ayan. Yan yung sikat nilang bird dito. Saka seagull. Yan yung maingay eh. Blackbird. Pero cute din sila. Sa nag-aaway. Meron din sila nung ano, nung Martinez ibon natin sa Pilipinas. Ayun siya, yung maliit na yan. Martinez yun eh. Eto guys, by the way, flowers din ito. It's not in full bloom yet. So these are flowers guys. Pag nag full bloom yan, ang ganda. Ayan. Ano mo oh. Ayan. Maroon. Ito yata yung white or yellow flowers. Basta ang ganda. Oh, social ang basurahan nila. Look. Look. Pilipinas, we gotta learn. Ayan, tingnan mo naman ang sitting areas nila. Napakasimple pero social pa rin. Ayos na yung parang ano siya ng putan. Bye-bye na tayo. Bye-bye. Walang nag-swimming. Bawal. Bawal mag-swimming. Of course. Ay. It's not ideal for swimming nga. Madumi. Ayan. Oo. May view deck siya. Yes. Sarap ng hangin. Sarap ng hangin. Ayan. So, yung papalis na barko, saan na? Ayun na. Bye-bye. Papunta yun sa Helsinki. This one. So, Helsinki is like 2 hours and 30 minutes to 3 hours sail away from Tallinn. That's why I will be going for a day trip on the next day. Not tomorrow, the next day. Dapat pala bukas na kasi parang halos nakita ko na lahat nung attractions. Pero meron pa din for sure. Maluwang ang Tallinn. Marami pa akong madi-discover. Ayan. Ayan. Walking na tayo ulit. After taking some pictures, walking na ulit. Okay, so nandun pa si Mr. Sun. It's almost 7 p.m. Tapos ang araw ko, cloudy lang. Parang ang sunset dito, napansin ko is around 9. Between 9 to 10 ang sunset dito, guys. Yeah. Okay, medyo madilim siya kasi it's against the light. But, of course, on this side, it's clear. Ayan. Diba? So, let's see for a moment kasi mayroong jogging through. Ayan, gwapo rin. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan. Okay. Nandito na ako. Kasi charge na yung phone. Nag-charge tayo. So, doon ako galing. Doon ako galing. I was there. Okay. Over here. Ito na yung vicinity ng port. Ayan. Dito pasok yung mga cargo trucks. I'm not going there. Hanapin ko na yung bus stop para makabalik ako sa Old Town kasi nandun yung hotel ko. Ayan siya. Balik na tayo. It's the end. Okay. Although may walkway pa siya papunta doon sa hanapin na natin yung bus stop. Or else, balik ako doon sa loob ng park. Dahil doon ako bumaba kanina. Pero may nakita naman ako na bus na dumaan dito. Hopefully, one ride lang siya kasi ang binayaran ko kanina by card is 2 euros. Ayoko ng 2 rides kasi sayang naman yung pera. Yan. Yung mga nag-exercise. Hanapin natin ang bus stop. Malamig na siya, guys. It's 80 degrees. Buti na lang, nagdala talaga ako ng jacket kasi since yesterday while I was checking for the weather, it's gonna be chilly today and a little bit of rain. So I have my umbrella. Ayan. Okay. I have to stop kasi naka-red na siya. Mag-jaywalking ako. And one thing, nagagalit sila pag bigla kang tumatawid. Ayan, may bus stop. Let's check our Google Maps kung may papunta sa Old Town. 68, 66 and 8. Wait lang. 66 and 8. Dito mo malalaman. Ayan. Okay, so may nakita ako doon, bus stop. Pero, ang gusto ko mangyari, hanapin ko yung gate ng pasukan ng port para alam ko yung pupuntahan sa Aquatron. Ang ganda! Diba? Dito dito. Daming flowers. May roses, of course. And on the other side as well. Kaya ako hatching ng hatching, guys. Naasma ako. Dahil dyan. Sa flowers na yan. At naamoy ko. At syempre, hindi ko nakikita yung mga pollen flying around. Okay lang. Hindi naman siguro mamamatay, no? Okay. Hanap tayo ng isa pang bus stop na malapit sa entrance ng port. Dito, gilid-gilid lang kasi maraming nagbabayad. And I don't know if this is for walking. Is this only for bike? I think so. Kaya, doon tayo sa kanila. Sorry naman. May bike lane talaga sila, guys. So, this is the walking lane. Kasi marami siyang roses doon, kaya nainganyo ako maglakad doon. I'm so sorry. Alam mo sa na-experience ko sa Netherlands, no, nagagalit sila pag nandun ka sa bike lane. Dito, ngiti-ngiti sila. Sabi nila, tourist ako na. Kasi yung sa Ljubljana, sa Slovenia at sa Netherlands, araw yung dome ng bike doon. Sa inod bike lang siya. Ikaaan wala akong makita. Pansin ko lang na, ito na po. I am so sorry. Ignorance is not an excuse. So that part guys, ayan na yung bike lane. Doon kasi yung kalsada mismo may drawing ng bike. So alam mo siyang bike lane. Dito ano lang, mga ilang parts lang. No, wala naman kasi. Ayan na. So merong isang sign ulit dito na tingnan natin. What does it mean? We will interpret it. Parang nag-merge na yung bike lane and walking lane. Ayan siya. So careful guys. Walking and bike lane. Merge together. Merge and together redundancy. Kaya pag naglakad ka, gilid-gilid lang guys kasi dadaan yung bike. Ngayon, ang problema ko, wala na yung bus stop. Pero malamang meron dyan. Ayun. Para makita yung ano, yung na, naka-green siya. Naka-green siya. Ang bilis. Hindi naman ako makatakbo. Ayan, green, mali siya. Green. Green is low, syempre. 15 cars naman dito. Okay, isa no. Ayun. Sige lang. Ganda siguro ito sa gabi kasi makikita ilaw. Okay. Keep walking. Nakain ako ng picture. Wait lang. Ganda yung flowers. Ganda yan oh. Lahat na lang maganda sa paningin ko. Lahat maganda. Thank you Lord. Huwag na talaga yung bike lane. Daming roses. Bed of roses. Pink pa siya, pink. Ano rose naman siya? Buti talaga hindi nila ako pinagalitan. Nalala ko talaga sa Netherlands. Hoy, sabi nila. Sinigawan nila ako. Nakikita mo, ang nakikita ko, mga flowers. Ito lang. I can't take it anymore. Ayun siya. Tapos ito, white flowers. Ito. Ito siya, oh, ang ganda. Diba? Tapos ito yung pink. Tapos kanina kasi hindi halata doon. Dahil hey, that's a looking nice. Must be the first time. Keeps moving stronger. Ayan. Mga ka-in love. Napit siya guys. Ulit. Close up. Sorry kung masyado mabilis. Close up. Ayan. Diba? That's the beauty. Grabe no? Ang ganda. Ngayon, nasaan na yung bus stop? Yan mo na. Pari natin na hanap naman kung ano entrance ng port. Ang tao. Kanina pang cargo, pang cars yun nakita. Ang gara oh. May palaruan, may upuan, may basurahan. May wish na ganito rin sa Pilipinas. Although meron din ibang parts doon. Pero kailangan mag-level up. Level up, Philippines. I flex my legs. Crazy bus, number 8. Pero may pasta doon, may pasta. It's green, we can go. It's green. Ayan, may bus stop na naman. Hindi ko pa rin nahanap yung ano. Port. Ayan mga bed. So I keep walking. Ayoko kasi malate sa trip ko sa Helsinki. Maiwanan ako kasi mura yung ticket na nabili ko. Ayun, kung bibili na naman ako, baka mahal na siya. Kasi nabili na yung mga cheap seats or cheap slots. So, natin. Sige lang. Paga pa naman. Pagdating ko doon, Pagoda Bells. And I will have my dinner. Then go to late naman ako lumabas kanina. As in, naman ako. And I did some editing on my videos para ma-upload muna sa YouTube. Please watch for my Madrid vlogs and BTS concert. Madrid. Ayan po. And then, I'm gonna be uploading a new one tonight. So watch out. So merong isang bus stop doon. Sige lang. Mukhang malapit na. Uy, may coffee machine but I can't. Sige. Thank you. Akyatan yung mga bata. polygons. And some boats. They make huge pots. Saan na ang port? Hindi pa rin ako nakarating. Saan na ang port? So, dalawang bus stop na yung nadaanan ko. May sabi kanina sa Google, 4 bus stops lang. Doon ako sa Old Town. And then 12 minutes walk to my hostel. Pero hindi naman ako babalik agad sa hostel. Kakain pa ako. Dinner guys, dinner. Hindi ako diet. Pagod na pagod ako sa walking. There's another one. So here's the modern part of Tallinn. Yeah. Ayan na, may bus stop na. Ayun na, bus stop. Yeah guys, this is where the mayor there. We'll just stop here on the mayor or car with the machine. And then, bayad ka na. And what's my name? Sulit.